But it wasn't that bad. It took us like 2 weeks, But we didn't work on it steady either. But it took us like 2 weeks to put up and everything, and then we poured the concrete later on and stuff like that. And then I put the door in, the end walls and the door later on too. And it's been a pretty good building. And then it's been up for about probably 6, 7 years, so I'm accumulating a lot of stuff in here now. Pretty much a lot of junk. I like to come out here and start me a fire out in front of it, sit on the little park bench out there, drink beer, and just, look at the fire and do nothing. But see, now you get that started, and then you throw a bunch of oak in there on top of it and get a good oak fire going. All my buddies, oh God, I wish I had a building like that and stuff like that, I spend more time out here than I do in the house. My wife, when she wants to come see me, she comes out here. I'm out here all the time. I went out in the hurricane in Wilma and was in this building with the door pulled down and watched what it done. It didn't move. It just come up a little bit and end walls pushed in a little bit, but it's like an accordion. It doesn't, under heavy wind, and we had some heavy wind then, that was Wilma, and it held together good. I was out here I wanted to see what it would do. I snuck out the back of the house and run around here and run in the shop and shut the door and was talking to my wife on the cell phone, telling her about it, what it was doing, because I wanted to see what it acted like, how strong it was.